Again, a very warm good evening. It's a Monday morning, IST 5 p.m. by the watch. I'm Jaseen Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And this is one of my favorite wallpapers I've done up recently and stuff. But let me clarify and let me not confuse with you idea that this wallpaper uh, wallpaper background is about I mean it's in relation to the post that I have here. My video right now is about three plants, looking at the weather, the rainy season and stuff, so Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, south, the north of India, the west of India, most of it is getting a good spell of rains and stuff. So at this point of time, what can we do? When we are indoors and stuff, we could make the best use of time rather than letting this idea come in our head that we've got limited spaces to go to and stuff and all that. It's not raining 24 by 7, so obviously there is a flexibility part to it and stuff and all that. But the point is, what is my video all about? It's about some kick-ass idea again. It's all nature and greenery. So what you could do is work around the concept of positive energy and abundance and prosperity. Okay, so most of us work smart, most of us work hard, most of us work whatever way. What is the objective of it? Is growth, abundance, prosperity. Whatever. So business objectives and everybody has a different reason to do work and stuff. Okay, but there are a few plants that can really help you if you place them within your premises, or you place them wherever you work out of or wherever you reside and stuff. They're definitely going to give you that positive energy and boost and stuff. So extremely easy. Number one is aloe vera. In Punjabi it's called aloe vera. Matlab, uh, take this buddy, so it's a plant called aloe vera, and aloe vera has got some scientific uses and stuff. But if you were to place aloe vera in your rooms or in your spaces, primarily it should be southwest. Maybe you can Google it, but the point is, I'm giving you those three plants and stuff. The second plant is most of us have grown up looking at it. Hindi serials, Ramayana, Mahabharat. We've seen our grandparents. We've grown up on this idea of cough, cold diseases. के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Tulsi. Yeah. So if you have a cough, cold and stuff, you either got a tulsi wali chai, or you got a tulsi balm, or you got a tulsi, or you got something like that, tulsi pattas around you and stuff with the paste and everything. Okay, so the second plant is tulsi. Use tulsi is really good, and tulsi is recommended normally at the entrances of your doors and stuff, because two three medicinal purposes. One is your cough and cold and diseases, second is your fever and everything, and third is medically it gives you positive energy and stuff. And last but not the least, which is about premium and quality and luxury, so it has to be around growth and abundance. So tulsi plant outside your door entrance is a good idea. And third is what is it? You have this green, something like this, a green stone, which is a jade. So it's a semi-precious stone, but jade is also a plant. So this is a plant which looks, if you look very clearly, it's got this. It looks like dollars or something like that. I've not seen one very closely, but I do remember, seeing this when I was a child and stuff. So the third is jade. So if you want to have this jade, kindly Google it either in the north or the south east area of your house. Jade is also a very good, plant. And what you could do is, rather than researching on aloe vera, place the aloe vera in your kitchen or in your living rooms where you have. And aloe vera is very good for positivity and abundance, and I think good energy comes from the food of your house, the kitchen and everything. So if you have it on the windows and stuff, it's a good idea. And a good idea to avoid plants which have got these pointing spikes and stuff, because the more the number of spikes and stuff, like a hedgehog kind of a thingy, the more argumentative or more heated the environment is. So arguments is not a very good healthy thing, and let's not get into that. So for good conversations and good energy and stuff, 3 4 plants are good, okay. And next is number 4. I'd say three. Number 4 is I got one before me right now. Is the snake plant. That's the best for positive energy. It also absorbs your carbon monoxide and stuff. It helps in oxygen generation, and lastly, it also creates this positive energy in your room where you're mostly sitting on your computers or on your phone, or you sleep after watching movies and stuff. So always a good idea. A good idea to place these in the balconies, on the windowsills. Do not place too many plants next to your beds, because you have this thing about mosquitoes and stuff and all that, and you may trip and fall, or maybe whatever. So a good idea is your windowsills. A good idea is maybe your consoles. A good idea is probably between your sofas, bedsides. Yes, probably if you have good sideboards, not on the floor. And washrooms, yes, on the windows, but primarily the living areas and the kitchen. Yeah. So jkapani@gmail.com, justinkamani.im@gmail.com, justinkamani office@gmail.com. Those are my 3 email addresses, because there are so many catalogs and emails exchange and stuff. By 1% or 10%, you find an email is bounced back to you. Please follow. I've got 3 email addresses, and if you have my WhatsApp number, you can very nicely drop in a message, and I'll come back to you and stuff. For yeah, so try these. These should work. And if you are in awe of nature, and if you spend your time walking and stuff, it's going to definitely give you some good ideas and stuff. The point is, are you taking note of it or not? Are you focused on the traffic? Are you focused on the dirty roads? Of course, they're going to get dirty, but they're getting washed. That's the positive of it. And it's not like it's going to be dirty and mucky all the time, and there's going to be water logging and stuff. Once the water dries up, the city becomes beautiful. Like right now, the roads are so beautiful and everything. So, anyways, coming back to the main point, ये plants लगाइए और abundance, prosperity, positivity लेके आइए अपने घर पे, and tell me how you feel about it. So, love you, luck, and take care, have fun, and remember, stay hydrated. Remember to have water, even if it's raining. And you could add tulsi leaves to this. You could also add mint leaves to this and stuff, and you feel absolutely good and energetic and stuff. So love and luck, and take care and have fun. There's a plant there that's I don't know what plant are, but you have plants in your room, but place them a little away from your bed, okay? So love and luck, and take care and have fun, and cheers and enjoy. Bye bye. Yeah.